The Direxion Daily Technology Bear 3X Shares ETF, TECS, is an exchange-traded fund that aims to provide investors with triple the inverse of the daily performance of the Technology Select Sector Index. In other words, TECS aims to provide investors with a way to profit from a decline in the technology sector. The technology sector is a broad category that includes companies involved in the development, production, and distribution of technology products and services. This sector includes companies in the software, semiconductor, computer hardware, internet, and telecommunications industries. The Technology Select Sector Index is a subset of the S&P 500 that includes companies in these industries. TECS is designed for investors who believe the technology sector will decline in the short term. When the Technology Select Sector Index goes down, TECS will go up by 3 times the amount of the decline. Conversely, when the Technology Select Sector Index goes up, TECS will go down by 3 times the amount of the gain. Because of this inverse relationship, TECS is considered a bear ETF. The fund uses leverage to achieve its objective, which means it invests in financial instruments such as swaps and options that provide a return that is a multiple of the performance of the underlying index. This can amplify both gains and losses and make the fund more volatile than a traditional ETF. TECS is not suitable for all investors and should be used only by those who understand the risks associated with leveraged ETFs and are willing to assume a high degree of risk. TECS is also not suitable for long-term investment and should be used for short-term trading strategy. The ETF has high expense ratio compared to other ETFs, which further reduces the returns for investors. It is important to note that TECS is a speculative investment and is not suitable for all investors. It is important to carefully consider the risks associated with this ETF before investing. As always, investors should conduct their own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.